Hello guys, this is George, and in today's video I'll show you how to change ChatGPT language, guys. First of all, you should go to chat.openai.com, which is official ChatGPT website. I will put the link in the description, and then you should log into your account. So ChatGPT officially doesn't have the language change function, so you cannot see any language changing function on this interface, but you can do it with using of Google Chrome, guys. So how to do it, I will show you now. Click the right mouse button and click the translate it to English first of all, and then you should choose another language. For example, let's choose German, and let's translate this page into German, guys. Once you choose the language, click translate button and the page will be automatically translated to German, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.